Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make your profile picture unclickable. So if you want to make unclickable your profile picture, so just click on this profile picture. Now click on this drop down. In here click on more and select only me. So you need to select only me. That's it. So this profile picture now is unclickable. No anyone can able to click this profile picture. That's it. So friends, by this easy and very quick method we can make unclickable profile picture on Facebook. That's all. Thanks for watching.